Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a short one. It's not a video that I set out to intentionally make. I've just been walking around today looking for things to photograph and I happened across a pair of golden whistlers. Golden whistlers are quite pretty little birds. Well, the males are anyway. The females are sort of a drab brown colour, very common in the bird world. Anyway, the whistlers, they're the sort of bird that you hear quite frequently when you're going out for a walk, but they're usually up the tops of the trees. You don't see them very easily. They might come down, but they quickly flitter back up. But where I am at the moment, there's sort of a steep embankment, and this pair are still in the trees, but I'm sort of at eye level to them, and they're in an area where a lot of people walk past, so I think they're fairly used to people passing them by, so they're not too skittish. So I thought I'd see if I could get any video footage just to see what it looked like, and fortunately the male's being fairly compliant and letting me take some good video. So anyway, check him out and see what you think. Thanks very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing those golden whistlers, and remember, if you like this video or any of my other videos, please subscribe, and I'll see you back on the channel very soon.